Hey everyone, welcome back to NattyTechInsights, your go-to channel for discovering amazing websites, apps, and tech hacks. Today, I've got a game changer for anyone who loves printing web pages without all the unnecessary clutter, ads, images, and extra text. If you've ever tried to print a web page and ended up wasting ink and paper on unwanted content, then PrintFriendly is the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive in and see how this tool can make your life easier. What is PrintFriendly? PrintFriendly is a free online tool that lets you convert any web page into a clean, print-ready format. You can remove ads, cut out unnecessary sections, and even save the page as a PDF for later. Let's see how to use PrintFriendly. Visit printfriendly.com and enter the URL of the web page you want to print or upload a file. Customize the page by removing images or text sections. Download as PDF, print directly, or email the document. Why use PrintFriendly? Number 1, to save ink and paper. Number 2, to remove ads and pop-ups. Number 3, to work on any website. Number 4, to let you edit before printing. So there you have it, YouTube fam. PrintFriendly is a must-have tool for students, professionals, and anyone who wants clean, professional-looking printouts. Download the app, try it out, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. You can also use this website without signing up because it is absolutely free to use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Check out the link in the description to explore PrintFriendly today. Thank you for watching. Check out another video in the top left corner.
Skill stack.